Hi, everyone. My name is Teresa Zumwald, and I am here with Patti Sanchez from Duarte, who is going to be doing a presentation called Communication that Inspires Positive Action. Let's talk for a couple minutes about what Patti's going to be doing. Patti, how does your session speak to the conference theme, It's About Time?
Well, to put it in a nutshell, I think it's time for us to up our communication game. Just the environment around us, the level of expectation that people put on brands to drive change has just raised the stakes, the pressure on all of us to be more effective at persuading people to influence them to change. And I think that's what people are expecting from all of us, from all these brands that are gathering here today at the conference, is that we're going to lead movements that are going to make the world a different and better place.
I love this idea, lead a movement. That's awesome. I can't wait to hear more about that. Well, let's talk about a takeaway. Are you going to give us some kind of tools or techniques or some kind of insights that we can apply right away?
For sure. My session's 30 minutes, so there's only so much we can cover in that time. But what I will be sharing are some models for understanding what the change journey feels like for people. And you'll walk away with a framework that you can use, almost like a filter. You can lay it on top of communication plans that you're doing and make sure that you're giving people the emotional fuel they need throughout the change journey. So I think a lot of us as communicators have playbooks. We have tried and true communication tools and techniques. We have plans, we dust off and we say this strategy worked before, but I think a lot of times we're missing an understanding of what people are feeling and how we can feed that emotional fuel with the right kind of communication, especially rooted in storytelling. So I'll be talking a lot about storytelling in my session too.
So I heard you say filter and framework. That makes me very curious. So final question, Patti, what are you most excited about this year's conference?
The stories. I think the case studies are always my favorite part of going to a conference like this, because I can learn from other people how they're grappling with the same kinds of issues, hear real world testimonials, and to learn from their mistakes. So I think everybody here is grappling with something pretty meaty, and I'm excited to learn how they've been leading change, how they've been helping their stakeholders, get through some really tough times. And I think we're all going to walk away with new insights and new inspiration.
You're absolutely right. There's a lot of opportunity for engagement, and from an engagement perspective, I hope everybody attends Patti's session. Patti, thank you so much. I can't wait to see you at the end of June. Take care, everyone.
Thank you.
Register today.